In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create training materials using Airtable. Whether you're building onboarding content or ongoing learning modules, Airtable gives you a clean, flexible way to organize everything in one place. First, you'll need an account. Go to the Airtable website and sign up for a free account using your email or a Google login. It only takes a moment, and the free plan is perfect for getting started with training content. Once you're in, create a new base. Click Add a base, choose Start from Scratch, and give it a clear name like Training Materials so everyone knows what it's for. Think of a base as your workspace, and inside it, you'll store all the pieces of your training program. Your base will open with a default table called Table 1. Rename that to Modules, since each row will represent a distinct training item. Now add the fields you'll need. Create module name as a single line text field so you can quickly identify each module. Add topic, using either single select or multiple select, depending on whether modules can span more than one area. Include a description field as long text so you can outline goals, key points, or prerequisites. For content type, set a single select with options like video, document, and quiz. Add a link or attachment field so you can upload files or paste URLs to hosted content. Finally, add a completion status checkbox to track progress at a glance. Around this point, a quick note. I've placed a link to Airtable at the very top of the description so you can jump straight in. If you prefer using the app, you'll find download links there too. Now start adding your training materials. Click the plus sign to create a new record for each module. Fill in the module name, choose the topic, write a clear description, set the content type, and attach any files or links. Consistency in naming helps a lot, especially as your library grows. To keep everything organized, use different views. The grid view is the default and great for data entry. Switch to a Kanban view to group modules by completion status or topic and see progress visually. Try the gallery view to showcase each module as a card with its description and attachments. If deadlines matter, add a due date field and enable a calendar view to see what's coming up. When you're ready to share, click Share in the top right. Invite teammates by email for collaborative access, or generate a shareable link if you need to provide external, read-only access. Finally, track progress by updating the completion status checkbox as modules are finished. If you want to collect input, add a notes or feedback field to capture comments and suggestions for improvement. That's it. You now have a simple, scalable Airtable setup for training materials. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.